you how to handle jive with these easy, quick tips. Let's get started. Small steps. Small rock, replace. Small side, close, side. 3 steps in one shoulder width. Side, close, side. As a rule of thumb, keep one leg bent and the other one straight. Almost all the time. And this is a delay weight action. Has a bent knee, the other leg is straight. And last step, bend. As this one straightens, the other one bends. Side, close, side. Wherever that foot lands, that's where it's gonna be. In the rock step, the front foot stays on the spot. Use the pressure of the big toe to maintain that foot position as you replace. Side, anchor through as you bring your leg to close. Side, and side, close, side. You want to make your footwork very precise and very clean. Rule of thumb, the leg you're standing on, that hip's gonna rotate before you take the next step. On the foot for the rock, rotate. On the foot for your replace, rotate. Your rotation happens in the opposite direction to your chasse. Yeah, and you finish your chasse, rotate. There you go. Keep your tall posture as you lift your knee up to hip height. The jive chasse is the staple of jive. It's everywhere. You cannot escape from the chasse. Practice this step. It's like the Holy Bible, especially if you're a Buddhist. Practice your chasse. That's the way to take over the world. Watch out, Chinese people. I'm just saying stupid shit. I don't know.
That's ridiculous.
You know what was that? That was the detective.